Hi, this is Vijay Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off Google Assistant on Android phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Google Assistant is available on many devices, including phones, tablets, and Chromebooks. It's useful, but the virtual assistant's notifications can pop up windows can clutter up your device screen. It's distracting you from your task. Many portable Bluetooth speakers come with Google Assistant pre-installed too, where it can interrupt your music when it thinks it hears a command. In many cases, disabling the virtual assistant can be beneficial. So how to do it? If you want to turn off, you want to disable the Google Assistant on your Android phone. It's so simple. So first, you can just go to your settings on your phone. Now you can just scroll down, there is a Google option. Tap on that. From here, you can just choose on all services. There is an option Search Assistant and Voice. You can just tap on that. Tap on Google Assistant. As you can see in here, there's an option Hey Google and Voice Match. Tap on that. So here, as you can see, your Google Assistant is active. If you want to disable it, you can just tap on the toggle on here. You can still use Hey Google in some driving apps like Google Maps and Android Auto. You can just tap on OK. And if you want to turn off also for while you're driving, you can just remove this toggle in here. So now you have disabled your Google Assistant from your phone. It's so simple, right? And if you want to turn on this again, you can just activate the toggle in here. So that is how to how to disable Google Assistant on Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.